To reset network settings in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the off screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Tap reset, and then select reset network settings. Reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other network settings to their defaults. This will reset all network settings, including just for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Select reset setting if you sure, and then enter your current PIN. Tap next. All network settings will be reset. This action cannot be undone. Select tap reset if you sure. Network settings reset. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.